In this in this video, we're going to go through some rules about triangles that we're going to be using to do a lot of the problems. The triangle angle sum theorem says that all three angles of a triangle always add to 180 degrees, and we've already been using that in the class kind of often. But this right here, this exterior angle theorem, is something that's going to be, we've talked about it a little bit, but not using triangles specifically. It's very important in this unit. You will see stuff about it on the test. But the outside angle and exterior angle is formed when you extend a side of a polygon. It's formed by the extension of the side and a side that's already there. So this angle, angle 1, this is an exterior angle. And it's equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles, the inside angles there, that do not touch it. So this would be equal to, angle 1 is equal to the sum of the measure of angle B and the measure of angle A. So keep that in mind. It's the two inside angles that do not touch that exterior angle. And the reason that this works is that, just to show you kind of why this happens, the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus that inside measure of angle C are adding to 180. Also, the angle at C, the inside angle at C, plus the measure of angle 1 also equal 180 degrees. So if you see that each of these statements contain the measure of angle C, then you can see that C plus 1 is 180. So 1 and measure of A and B must be the same, because when you add the same thing to them, you get the same amount. So like we could subtract, and you could see, getting that isolated, that if you solved each of them by subtracting the measure of angle C, this would be measure of 1 equals 180 minus measure of angle C. And then solving this one, you'd see measure of angle A plus measure of angle B equals 180 minus measure of angle C. So see how this and this are the same? So you know that this and this are also the same, which is what this theorem is saying. Let me see. There we go.